Hello my friends, today I have got here some special tool and let's see what is it or what is it. As you can see here, this is the ratchet. I was hunting to get this about a year and a half, and finally I got chance to buy it for the good price, and I ordered it from Germany, and today it arrived to me. Here you can see this is WÜRTH extendable or telescopic ratchet, and now I will try to explain why I bought this tool and what are the main reasons for me to call this tool special. Let's start from this handle. Here you can see this is red and black combination and engraved WÜRTH letter and logo on it. The material is rubber and I like it very much. If we compare it to the previous handle styles the WÜRTH applied on their tools, I like this new a lot. Here you can see my brake bar, also half-inch brake bar, which has the older style handle. I have nothing wrong with this handle, but the handle on the ratchet looks better and feels way better than this plastic handle on the breaker bar. So I like, once again I'm mentioning that I like the ratchet handle a lot. Now let's continue and see how it sits in my hand. This is comfort grip handle, we can say so. So it sits very securely and good in my both hands, and I like it. Now let's see the main shaft. Here you can see also the letter WÜRTH and the article number. These are laser shown, so they are not engraved. The shaft is made from the chrome vanadium steel with the best traditions of the German tools. I mean the satin finish on it. It is not shiny, and here you can see that it has very interesting construction. It can be extended. This is telescopic ratchet, and you can adjust the length of the ratchet with this mechanism. Here we have some wobbling, but not the big deal. I think that this is very good option to work in the places where the leverage is very important, and vice versa in the places where you simply want to remove or install something bolt-on or fastener. So now I am showing you how it adjusts. You only must push this metal pin forward in front here, and then it is very easy to extend or shorten the ratchet for your work purposes. The shaft moves very freely, and it feels that definitely this is quality tool. WÜRTH always makes quality tools. I don't want to say that this is made in Germany. This is not made in Germany. I don't know where this ratchet is made, but the quality it has is very good. And now let's move on the head itself. The main reason I am telling you that this ratchet is Very good is the head style. Here you can see, if we compare it to my Gidor half-inch ratchet, here you can see how narrow and small is the head of the Wurth, and also Wurth has 72 teeth versus Gidore with the 60 teeth or tools inside of its head. Now also I am comparing this Wurth to my next palm head Gidor. This palm head is not so big as previous Gidor was, but also I prefer Wurth here. And to show you how small it is, here is my go-to 3/8 Gidor flexhead ratchet and Wurth flexhead half-inch ratchet, and you can see the head design and head dimensions. This Wurth goes in the 3/8 league, let's say so. Also here we have the flex head. The flex head is moving very freely, and it can be adjusted in several positions. The black button I'm pushing now helps you to lock the position you chose, and then it is ready to work with the fasteners or the bolts. I prefer the lock heads. I don't like the ratchets with no locking function. They wobble a lot. And guys, here we have the ball pin also, and the switching mechanism. The Wurth logo is engraved on the switching mechanism itself. And here you can listen how it sounds. Very, very high quality tool. I like it a lot. Now let's put this Gidor long socket on the ratchet, and I think that here we will get the wobbling construction, and yes, Gidor always wobbles, but I like it anyway. Now I will try to put the Wurth socket on this ratchet and see what we will get in that situation. Here is my 26mm half-inch Wurth zebra socket. Little dusty, excuse me. Let's put it, and the fitment is better, less wobbling, and great noise. So guys, once again, I was hunting for this tool about a year and a half. This ratchet costs regularly from 17 euros, from 70 to 100 euros, but I was lucky to get it for 50 euros, and I'm very, very happy. Also, this ratchet came with this paper. This paper is important because here you can see all the details, how it can be repaired or greased or disassembled. Thumbs up. I have never got such instructions with the tools. What can I say? I recommend it to everyone who wants to buy a long flex head ratchet with the ability to have the special head design, which will allow you to work in the difficult areas. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, stay tuned. I have more tools for reviews and other car stuff. So thank you once again and goodbye.